Welcome to Chris Hammer YouTube page. This week I put disc brakes in the truck and works out pretty good. I can stop. Still need to bleed them, but right now I can stop pretty good. Been a little over 500 miles since the last oil change. I need to change the AC compressor out, because I'm pretty sure that one's bad. So I'm going to change this AC compressor out while I'm waiting for the oil to drain. I think I'll actually block off the front tires this time. Tire lifted off the ground, put jack stands under it, and I'm going to pull the tires and start the hard work. Watch some videos on how to do this and how to disassemble all that crap. I don't think I need to. I need to pull the axles anyways because I'm replacing the diff. So I'm going to pull the axles, take these 4 bolts off the back and undo this line. Call it a day, and that should all slide off. Never actually used one of these before. One of these slide hammer things. Yeah, I'm still trying out the cowboy hat. The only problem is I don't have a spot to put my sunglasses, so that's annoying. Cut the bearing, most of it, with a whatever that thing is called. Cut it mostly with that, and then was able to yank it out of there. And then I cleaned up all the stuff that I burred up and messed up. The mating surface for that bearing is all good and clean, but I obviously have new bearings. All the bearings are out, everything's out, completely out of the rear end. This side's out. Now I just need to go through it and just spray everything. Just tons of brake clean. Clean it out, shove something in there, wipe all those little things out. Just spend hours cleaning it now. Everything has to be cleaned out of there. So instead of using a million different things of brake clean, I'm going to use my little that sucks fluid down up the hose and use diesel. And really started to clean it. Well, you'd have to go like that. Okay. Like so. This is how the photo has it. Alright. Gotta knock in this axle bearing. Just took it out of the freezer, and I didn't get any ice cream. Guessing this one, maybe? Nope. Maybe this one? Maybe? Hey. So, the bleeder valve has to be up, so it goes like this. So this has to be on that side. So this should all, oh, come on dude, don't fall, come on. There we go. So this, didn't really show it, but I got that all connected and then kind of connected over here, right there. Now I need to tighten all of these up because they're just sitting in here lightly, and tighten that again. 32 is a good number to torque it down to, maybe. Okay. All right, cleaned everything up. Filled the diff with fluid, wasn't enough. I thought 2 quarts would be more than enough, but the little weep hole thingy, or the little fill hole, you can't fill any liquid in the little fill hole, so need to go get another quart of that. But it's enough to drive it forward, loop it around, pull the front end in, so I can change the brake master cylinder. Got the little one in. I think that's for the rear brakes. Probably should have put a bigger one on the rear brakes, but whatever. Whatever, it's fine. Okay, so I'm an idiot. This little fitting was in the kit, and yeah, obviously that's how it works. So I reflared that, and don't use the cheapo tool. Get the nice fancy tool that Finnegan advertises on his channel. Yeah, because this one's the one I use is a piece of crap. Still got to do a lot of work on my idle. The brakes. I mean, it's a lot better now, though. To bleed the brakes, but I'll go do that in a second. But I do got a little bit of breakage, not much. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.